Hello everyone, I welcome you to Coding Techniques. So in this video we are going to see how to work with the Ionic ActionSheet controller. So if you are new to this channel, then you kindly subscribe to the channel, and this is actually a series of videos which I have built for building this design. If you want to create this design, then link is out there in the description of the previous videos. You can just get it from there, and the source code is available in that particular video description, the part which I have done out there. So you can get it from there and just download the code and you can get the same design. Alright, but if you just want to understand the ActionSheet controller thing, then you can just stick to this video also. So this is actually a Plasma Milaap application for connecting the plasma donors with the needful ones and vice versa. So if you want to build this design, then you can just have this. This is the information for those who are new to this channel and who are watching this for the first time. And if you do not know how to create a new Ionic project from scratch, then the link is out there in the description how to create that. I have already created a video on that. You can just watch it. So with this, let's start our video for the Ionic ActionSheet controller. So let's get started. Now I'll open up the home page, and within our home page, what am I going to do? In the Ion content out here, I'll simply pass a click event, and I'll name the function as options, where I'm going to pass the item which is available out here in the loop. Alright, now we need to create this function. So I'll simply copy this up and open my TypeScript. I'll scroll down at the bottom. Out here I'm going to paste it, and I'll console the value out here if you need to check. Alright, now in our TypeScript, what am I going to do? In order to use the ActionSheet controller, I have to first inject it in my constructor. So I'll use public ActionSheet CTRL ActionSheet controller. So this is how we inject, and we have to import it up. So I'll import it from at Ionic Angular, because this is an Ionic component. Alright, once this is done, we are good to use it in our application. So out here, what am I going to do? I can simply use the action sheet, but before that, let me just click on it and see whether the thing works or not. So I'll click on it, and you can see the value is coming up. If I click on this one, then a different value is coming up. So it's working nicely. Now, after that, what am I going to do? Let me create a constant called ActionSheet, which will be equals to this dot ActionSheet control dot create. Now within this, I'm going to pass all the options, but before that, this should be await, and I have to use the async out here. Alright, so this is how it should be done in a proper manner, async await. So await actually means that this, until this is executed, it won't go to the next line. Alright, and for using the await, you have to use the asynchronous function. You have to make it. So the header which I'm going to pass is options. Well, you can pass any CSS class also if you like, in this manner, your custom CSS, your custom class name, and you can define it in global.scss. Alright, I'll simply comment it up because I don't want to use it. The next thing I want to use is the buttons. So this is how we declare it, and within this I'm going to use a lot of buttons actually. Now the first button which I will be using is the call button. So the text of for that will be call, the icon will be call, and the handler, this is where we will pass the functionality for that particular click event. Alright, so within this you can pass a function, or the functionality you can directly write if you want. I'll simply call clicked. Alright, let's check this out. Alright, so now if I click on it, this is not working. Why? Because I have not presented it up till now. So at last, I have to write await ActionSheet dot present. Alright, so this is declared now, and let's try it out here. So I'll click on it, and you can see that the action sheet pop-over is showing up, and we have the options header out here, which is looking pretty good. Now let's have some other buttons also. At first I will have a cancel button. So in the cancel button, I'll have the text to be cancel, icon will be close, and the role will be cancel out here. Now the role cancel actually means that if I click on it, it will cancel up the action sheet or dismiss the action sheet directly and won't perform any action. If you want some action to be done, you can pass it in the handler out here. Now if I click on it again, you can see the cancel button is showing up, and it is looking different than the other button, right? So this is how the design actually works in our action sheet. Now I will have two more buttons out here. Let me copy this up. I'll pass a comma, and then I'll paste it one more time. Alright, and now I'll just change it to mail. Icon will be mail, and the last one will be the locate, and the icon will be locate. So you can just locate via Google Map or any other map you have. It will navigate you to that particular location. Alright, now let's try it out. I'll click on it again, and you can see we have three options which are available out here, and we have the cancel button. Now if I click on the cancel button, it's gone. If I click on any other button, still it's working nicely and the functionality will work. I have clicked on all the buttons. Let's see in our console what do we have. Call clicked, call clicked, call clicked. How will I detect which one did I call? I'll change it to mail, locate. Alright, and this one is already cancelled, so that's fine. Now let's try it again. Alright, I'll click on it again, and if I let me just open it up. If I click on mail, mail clicked. If I click on locate, locate clicked. If I click on call clicked, cancel clicked. Everything is working fine. Alright, now the last thing that I want to show you guys is the custom CSS, how to pass it. So what I'll do out here, let me pass my custom CSS, and this class I'm going to work. Let's open our Ionic documentation and check it out there, how it looks like out there. So I've already opened it up. Now this action sheet is present in the component section. If you go out there, the first one will be the ion action sheet. Now out here you can see we have the CSS classes. I'll simply copy this, open my code. Now I can pass it in the homepage SCSS also, but I'll pass it in the global SCSS. Let's see, do we get any difference out there or not. If I click on it, I think the color of the background has changed. Let me try it one more time. What I'll do is I'll give a variable and color secondary. Let's check this one. It will come in black. If I click on it again, you can see this is coming in black, and we have some other CSS for this one also. You can apply that up as you like. Alright, I don't want to apply any CSS, so I'll simply comment this up, and in fact I will comment in my homepage also, because I don't want to use it. I am okay with the default design which is out there. And now if I go to Galaxy S5, let's check it out there, how the design looks like in an Android phone. So I'll click on this, and you can see this is looking alright. This is fine, right? Same exposure. You can just play around with the CSS if you like. Just follow this official documentation. You can just check the CSS custom properties also which are available. I think if you scroll down you will get it maybe. Yeah, these are the properties which are available. You can pass the background, button background you can pass, activated one, and a whole lot of stuff is present out here. You can just play around with the data as you like. Alright, so I'll leave that to you guys, and with this I will just wrap up this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and do click the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos that I'll upload in near future. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.